Did you tell Dwayne?
No, and we're barely getting by as it is. Then I go and convince him to spend our savings on this serigraph. He's gonna kill me.
Oh, you better write your will now.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll come to my place, baby.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Gangster, water, please. Baby, you come see me on your break?
Sort of.
Hey, I gotta tell you, this thing here, very fly, but that 3,000 hurt a brother. Whew.
I know.
Biggest check I ever wrote, baby.
Really?
But I trust you, so what the heck?
Dwayne, I lost my job.
You crazy girl, don't do that. You're gonna give me an ulcer.
Seriously, Pookie?
She's serious, Pookie. Why serious? Baby, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
They got rid of my whole department, including me.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Are you sure, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry about a thing, Whitley. We're gonna get through this. I'll just take this picture bag and we'll get the money from that until something comes along.
It's not a sweater, Dwayne. I mean, once the money exchanges hands, it's over. Finito.
Dang, this is good. This is good. This is good. So now we have one income, no money, and a $3,000 premise. Mr. Gaines, give me some more water, please.
Dwayne, I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. You married a complete, compulsive, jobless idiot.
No, sweetie, sit over there. It's all right. No, everything is okay. You know, I'll just take on some extra consulting work from Kanishiwa. I'll get us through this. No, Whitley, no, baby. I got it covered. This is on me. I can handle this. I'll get us through this. All right, I got to get back right now. We'll talk more over dinner. How you feel? Can you make some tostadas?
My office chair is barely cold, and you got me being your personal cook. I did not go through 5 years of college to be your little housewife. I will get another job, brother.
Whitley, I wasn't saying...
I want your support, not your dinner order.
Okay, well, would you like to go out for dinner tonight?
Okay.
Are you free this afternoon?
What you have in mind?
I want you to pick up my dry cleaning.
What do you have in mind?
This is fun. This is great. This isn't working, is it?
It's getting better.
You know, ever since the day you stayed over, something has been in the way of us getting together, Ron.
Like what?
I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's in this room with us.
No. There's nothing in the room. See, the room's empty.
Oh, come on, Ron. Be honest. I know you feel it.
Well, all right, I'm a little torn. Well, Kim, I like you. I really, really like you.
I like you too.
But I also like I like freedom.
I know I feel the same way.
Yeah?
But I'm not ready for commitment.
Yeah, I understand.
I need to concentrate on my books.
You know, and I need to concentrate on concentration. Concentrate. So where does that leave us?
Friends?
Friend. Wanna go get some dinner?
I'd like that, friend.
Okay. But, Kim, are we still the kind of friends that get friendly?
Oh, it's just a question.
Brother can ask a question. Oh, so next time we'll go Dutch.
You're one of a kind.
That's true.
I'll see you later.
Yes, you will.